Three Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into the final question of your assessment paper number 12. Whew, finally, right? Okay, now we're going to go into the final question, and this question is very simple. You should be able to do this with your eyes closed. Okay, so let's read the question. It says a 4-liter tank was completely filled with water. What's 4 liter? 4 liter is the measurement. In other words, there are 4 liters of water. I'll give you what's an example of 1 liter. 1 liter is probably like a big bottle of Evian water or something, right? And there's 4 liters of that in a tank. So I'm going to draw a tank for you over here. And inside there's water. How much of it? There are 4 liters of it. Now, the next part, it says that some water from the tank was poured into a jug. Okay, so there is a jug in the picture. Ooh, it's a jug. Okay, and I scoop some of the water from the 4 liters, and guess what happens? It becomes lesser. Wow, so amazing. Okay, it becomes lesser. So it becomes lesser by how much? It's now left with 3 liters and 458 ml. Okay, so how much is in this one? We don't know yet. Okay, we'll find out later. Now it says that the water in the jug was then used to water 2 pots of plants. Or not as plants somehow. Okay, 2 pots of plants. So I'm going to draw in green here. So 1 pot over here. Whee! That's the first green rose I've seen. Okay. Bit retarded the photo. Okay, but never mind. Each pot of plant was watered with an equal amount of water. That means both had the same amount of water. How much water was poured into each plant? So simple. Can do in your eyes closed. Okay, think of this way. If I have a tank with 4 liters of water, okay, and I take a jug and I scoop out the water, and then I'm left with 3 liter 458. How much is in this? Very simple. 4 liters minus 3 liters and 458 ml. Now, what you need to understand is what is 4 liters and what is 3 liters. 1 liter is how many ml? 1000 ml. Let's remember that. So it's the same as saying 4000 ml minus 3458 ml. Okay, do it in your you do your working, and what you'll find is, okay, I'm going to do it with my mind. Oh, the answer is 542 ml. Okay, let's just check just in case I get wrong again. 4000 minus 3458 will give you 4542 ml, and I am right. Okay, and then we use to pot 1 and 2. So this amount of water is poured equally among the two. So what is 1 pot of water? Just divide by 2. Simple. And then you will get 271, I think. 271 ml. Do your working, I'm going to use my calculator. Divide by 2. And I get 271, which is correct. Thank you very much. And that is the answer. Very simple questions these are. Now, as you have noticed, I've actually changed the format of your questions because that's the best way to learn. 60% of your, no, sorry, 40%, I think. Okay, I don't know, 60% is actually from the MCQs and the structured questions. So that's why I'm paying more attention to them. And only 40% belongs to your assessment problem subs. And so with that, remember, a challenge is another chance for you to shine. Take everything that is difficult for you, take it as a challenge. You remember what I always say, a challenge is another word for chance. And with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off saying you are a math prodigy. Good job. Take care.